Today we're going to see how to make a photo transfer from start to finish. But that's not all. We're also going to give it a fun little twist with color and shimmer.
Okay, let's get started. I have two different photo transfer methods to show you today, so let's jump right into the first one. So yeah, for our first process today, we're going to create a shimmery photo transfer. Wow, who doesn't love a shimmery photo transfer?
This process can be applied to wood, canvas, paper, and even glass. Next, we need to choose our favorite transfer medium. I'm going to use matte medium, but you can choose any other gel medium, gesso, or even glue. And for the additional sparkle, we're going to use glitter paint, glitter glue, or just glitter flakes. I'm going to transfer to this 6x8 canvas panel, and I'm going to use a laser printed photo, but again, you can use an inkjet printed image. All we need to do now is add the glitter to our transfer medium and spread a nice amount of it on the surface. And now we're going to place our image face down onto the wet glittery medium and lightly press it down with our fingers. Just for fun, I'm adding some of the leftover glittery medium around the photo. And now we need to let it completely dry, but if you are short on time, you can use a hairdryer on low settings. So now we're going to add clear water to the back of the transfer. Start at the corner and begin removing and peeling off the top of the paper, being careful to not remove the image. Now let it dry for a few minutes. Apply the water again and continue removing the rest of the paper. You can also use a soft sponge to help you remove the paper.
And if you like this process, you're going to love my recent books, the new Mixedmedia photography book and Make Something Artistic. They're both available on Amazon, so make sure to check them out soon. And if you prefer the digital PDF versions, the ebooks are available on my website, nitsacreativestudio.com. See you there!
When you are done removing most of the paper, you will need to seal the transfer with clear spray finish or a brush-on varnish. And here is a similar finished piece.
So this is what it looks like. It's always nice to have a sparkle, isn't it? So now let's see our second photo transfer method. This one is not sparkly, but it's quite colorful.
For this one, I'm going to transfer my photo to a canvas board. And this time we're going to mix in different colors with the transfer medium. Next, we're going to spread a nice amount of it onto the surface and basically paint it. And just like we did before, we are going to place our photo face down onto the wet paint and press it down with our fingers. You can also use the handle of your scissors to press it down better. Now let it completely dry, or again use a hair dryer on low settings. And like we did before, use clear water to wet the back of the transfer. And begin removing and peeling off the paper. You can also use an artist's knife to remove some of the paper from areas where there's no image. When you're done removing most of the paper, you need to seal the transfer with clear spray finish or a brush-on varnish.
So this one turned out colorful and fun. So I guess that's why I call it fun photo transfer. I knew there was a reason. I hope you enjoyed this process and found it useful in some way. I had a lot of fun with this process. I really enjoy taking a technique I already know and changing something about it or adding a twist to it. I love that I don't always need a whole completely new technique in order to get some new fresh results. And just a little twist, just adding a little sparkle or adding new colors can give you a whole new results at the end. And then it looks like a completely new method or new technique, but it's not. It's just a little twist. It's just a little twist on something you already know how to do. So thank you so much for watching, for commenting, for sharing, and most of all, thank you for your time. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bye-bye. I really enjoy taking a technique I already know, and I really enjoy on my website, Nitsa Creative Studio. And just a little sweet. This one is not aerospace. Good job, Nitsa. The new Mixedmedia photography book and make something artistic. I keep forgetting the name of the book. Thank you for watching the bloopers. It's time to go now. Thank you. Bye. Oops.